Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel MathX World. Students, today we will learn how to find cube root of any number. We have to find cube root of 512. So students, let's start. To find cube root of 512, first we have to find its prime factors. So let's start. Start with 2 to 2 are 4, 11 to 5 are 10, 12 to 6 are 12. Again with 2 to 1 are 2 to 2 are 4, 16 to 8 are 16. Again with 2 to 6 are 12 to 4 are 8. Again with 2 to 3 are 6 to 2 are 4. Again with 2 to 1 are 2 to 6 are 12. Again with 2 to 8 are 16. And again with 2 to 4 are 8. Again with 2 to 2 are 4. Again with 2 to 1 are 2. So cube root of 512 is equal to cube root of its prime factors, which are 2 into 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 2, which is equal to। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, अब हमने क्या करना है कि हमने इनका 3 का पेयर्स बनाना है ताकि जो पावर हो 3 की और ये जो क्यूब रूट है ये आपस में काट सकें। 1 2 3 1 पेयर, 1 2 3 सेकंड पेयर, 1 2 3 थर्ड पेयर। अब ये 2 की पावर 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय, हमने इनका पेयर बना दिया है। 2 3 टाइम्स है तो 2 की पावर 3, इसका मैं लिख सकते हैं 2 की पावर 3। अब क्या होगा, ये तीनों पावर्स और क्यूब रूट तो कट गया, हमारे पास पीछे क्या बच गया 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2। अब इनको हम मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे, 2 इंटू 2 4, 4 इंटू 2 8। सो स्टूडेंट्स, क्यूब रूट ऑफ 512 इज इक्वल टू 8। Got it, students? Hopefully, students, you get the point. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.